Hello YouTube, welcome to another edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. If you are new, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here today. If you like what you see, just hit that notification button and the subscribe button so that way YouTube will let you know when I put new content out. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm happy to have you back today. And just make sure that you are still subscribed to the channel and that YouTube didn't unsubscribe you. So today we are doing a grocery haul video. I know we're moving into no spend January, but I could not pass this up. Our local discount food store was having an amazing sale today. I did really good, you guys. I ended up spending $98. I had a gift card that I used for part of the money, so it actually only cost me about $48 for what I got. And y'all, I got a lot for the money. So I am just blown away with what I came home with. So I am just super excited. So let me get you into the kitchen and let me show you what I got at the discount food store. Okay guys, this is just the frozen stuff that I have. I'll have to do this in batches so I can get all of the cold stuff put away. I will start here in the back. I got 2 packages of Totino's pizza rolls. Yo, these were 75 cents a bag. You cannot find those anywhere for 75 cents a bag. These were 4 for $1. Can you believe that? So those are going in the dehydrator. You saw me do soups with my dehydrated mixed vegetables, so those are going in the dehydrator. Over here I got 4 bags of chopped spinach because these were 4 for $1. I got a thing of Sister Schubert's Parker House style rolls. These were $1.75. And then for the meat, I got 2 ribeye steaks, a New York strip steak. Look at this huge porterhouse steak. These were all $7 a piece. And then they have these huge packages of beef stew meat for $19.99. So this is the frozen things that I got. I am so excited for that meat. I think I'm using the steaks and we're going to do some beef turkey out of those. And I also forgot I had some milk. They have marked down to 79 cents for a half a gallon, which is just the right size for me. Alright guys, look at this. I got all of this at the discount food store today. So, well, let's start over here. These were $2.50 each. I've never had the Mountain Dew Zero Sugar before, at least not this kind, so I'm excited to try that. $2.50 for a thing of soda is a really good price here. So here in the back, I got some, this big bag of like Trix cereal for $1.99. I thought that was a good buy for $2. They had marshmallow, 79 cents a bag. Ketchup, Heinz ketchup was $1.50. And then back here, I got 2 boxes, the big boxes of Bisquick for $6.99. Y'all, I cannot believe this. Corn muffin mix was 33 cents a package, so I got 6 packages for the pantry. So, and part of what I got here is for my $5 pantry stock up, so I'll mention that in a little bit. Evaporated milk, 25 cents a can. Can you believe that? So I got 8 cans of evaporated milk. They had these boxes of crushed tomato with onion for 50 cents a box. They had packages of yeast for 50 cents. Packs of vegetable bouillon for 50 cents. I got 2 of these cold medicines for 99 cents. There's day and nighttime in each box. I got 2 things of this purple funfetti icing was marked down to 99 cents. A box of quick bread for 99 cents. And then, y'all, $1.98 for 6 boxes of stuffing mix. And I've used this kind of stuffing before in some recipes. It's really good stuffing mix. So yeah, I am really super proud of this haul. My total price for everything came to $98.07. And I had a gift card from my work that I used. So it only actually cost me about $48 out of my pocket. So yeah, I am super, super happy with what I got. Well, how about that haul? That was quite a lot of groceries. So I was able to stock my pantry, and $5 of what I got is for the $5 pantry stock up challenge that's hosted every week by Sassy Gal Prepping. So if you haven't watched any of those videos yet, there's quite a few really great channels participating in this. We just add $5 to our pantry every week. You don't get a lot at a time, but it's really adding up. So a little bit of what I got is for the $5 pantry stock up challenge. So make sure to go over to Sassy Gal Prepping and check out those other videos, because there's some really good channels out there who are doing this challenge. It's a lot of fun. So that concludes this edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. Thank you so much for spending time in my kitchen with me today. I am just so overjoyed with what I was able to get today. I love having home canned stew meat on my pantry shelf, so I'm going to be pressure canning that. I will show you how to dehydrate those vegetables. Really, it's just sticking it on the tray, sticking it in the dehydrator, and turning the dehydrator on. So it's not difficult at all to dehydrate frozen vegetables. As I've love having especially the mixed vegetables all done, so I can just pull a little bit out at a time and not have open bags of vegetables in my freezer. So I'm excited for that, and I still can't believe everything I came home with. So I think I did really well today. So that is my very last video for 2022. We are bringing in 2023 this evening at 11:30 p.m. Central Time. We'll be having our YouTube live New Year's Eve party, so I hope to see you all there. And just grab your favorite beverage and make sure that you bring the new year in with us. And if you are going out, please, please, please do not drive home if you've had anything to drink. Just, we want you safe, we want you happy, and we want you well for 2023. So just be smart, be safe, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.